concerned by the criminal wave, especially in the Masaka areas, but also in other parts, especially within Buganda, where murderers are cutting up people with pangas every single day in different villages in the Masaka areas. Murderers inform the people that they will attack them, and they do it. I'm told in some villages they even write messages on walls indicating that they will come to those villages, and they do come, and they cut up people. They usually cut up the elderly, the most vulnerable, the most old, the poorest in the community. They even cut up children. In the Busunju areas, I think that should be Mitiana district, they cut up priests. We don't know whether they will survive. It is not very clear as to the motive. The motive of these criminals is not yet clear, but definitely the crime wave has created panic, real fear actually, within the people in the affected areas. We've been told by security agencies that some of the culprits have been apprehended, they've been arrested. But that doesn't stop us from asking ourselves these questions. How is it possible that the security agencies failed to arrest these people even when they give notice that they are going to attack certain villages? How is that possible? How is it possible that security agencies haven't been mobilized to deal with the crime wave in these affected areas, when it is fairly easy to mobilize security when it comes to political issues? When political actors intend to hold, for example, rallies which the security agencies don't want them to hold, they easily mobilize very extensive security networks. How is it possible that in this situation we do not witness effective security being mobilized to save the lives of the people? Why do they fail to arrest these people before they murder Ugandans when they've given notice? So we appeal to government and the security agencies to arraign the criminals in court, in the courts of law. But I think most importantly, the motives of these criminals should be established. They should also try to establish the people behind them. Who sponsors these criminals? So there are 5 things we request of the government and the security agencies. First of all, reliable criminal intelligence. We need reliable crime intelligence, so that the would-be criminals are apprehended before they carry out their activities. Secondly, those who have been arrested should be taken to the courts of law and get accordingly charged. Thirdly, the security agencies need to establish those sponsoring the crime wave so as to dispel the rumors that are doing the rounds at the moment. Some of the rumors doing the rounds are very, very dangerous for national security. So they need to be dispelled by establishing the motives behind the crime wave, and of course, dealing with the sponsors and the culprits themselves directly. And finally, it's the motive and the sponsors taking them to court and ensuring that the Ugandans live in peace and harmony. Banayinziramu okubeebaza abatemu bakugirwe nga tebanatema bantu oba nga tebanaana kuwagala majambiya. Bakubuuza ejjambiya owagala yaki, toli mukinjaaje. Ejjambiya gy'owagala okumala olunaku olulamba yaki. Ekyokubiri, abatemu bakwatibwe. Ekyokusatu, abatemu basimbibwe mu mbuga z'amateeka. Ekyokuna, ab'ebyokwerinda bazuule avujjirira abatemu. Ani abavujjirira? Bali bokka? N'ekyokutaano, ab'ebyokwerinda bazuule ekigendererwa eky'abatemu bano kijjewo eŋŋambo ezibungeesebwa eziyinza okutabangula eggwanga. Ze nsonga ezo ttaano ze nsaba.